middle of an old volcano on the island of La Palma. I'm going to explore the island, go hiking, check out the volcano ridges, and I'm even going to stop by the place that had an eruption 3 years ago and see what it's like. On the GR131. I'm going point to point, so I got to backtrack back to the vehicle later. I'll end up doing a full marathon today, but hitchhiking seems to be a bit complicated due to the logistics. I might try that some other day, but not today. Heading back to my hostel now. It's kind of interesting. When I checked in yesterday, the receptionist did show me my area. This is your locker, and there's your box. That's right, I'm sleeping in a box. Let me show you what it's like. So that's not too bad for a hostel, actually. So sleeping in a box is actually quite pleasant. Compared to other hostels, you have privacy. I don't hear any noises, and the ventilation is good. So it kind of feels like being on a night train. I'm heading up to the mountains again now. I'm doing a high trail on the ridge. The big question now is cloud cover. And I plan on hitchhiking back to the vehicle. But that should be straightforward. We'll see. Hitchhiking back to the vehicle worked out well. I talked to a couple of German guys at the viewpoint, and they were willing to drive me back to my vehicle, so I'm back here now, ready to continue. So the last shots from yesterday were from that area that had an eruption 3 years ago. Pretty cool to see what it was like, even though most of it was closed off. Today I'm doing the classic hike on the island, the volcano route. It goes from point to point, so I'm gonna have to backtrack to the vehicle again. Maybe that guy was preparing for the ultra marathon that they have on this island. You start and finish at lower elevation. You follow the crater rim all the way around, about 100 kilometers. And you peak out at about 2,500 meters above. That's gotta be brutal. That was a good hike. I got a bit of extra time, so I'm gonna go check out that area that had the eruption in 2021 again.
I ran into Park Ranger. He didn't speak much English, but he told me it's closed. For about 5 minutes, I didn't understand any Spanish, and I didn't communicate in English much either. I squeezed out a few, oh, and I also said, okay. So, heading back again. I shouldn't be here anyway, so it's fair enough. I checked out some salt production down at the bottom there. Afterwards, I tried a hitchhike back to the car. The first vehicle picked me up. Not bad. Now it's time for more pizza.